What's the word, man? Real mean danger, man. So we gonna tap it, you feel me?
And clear of the closing doors, please.
Damn sure Flash, comes some clothes on. Down, dog, play with us. Follow my voices. Lord.
Yes, notice, we're gonna tap me today, man, with M24, busy signal. You know what I'm saying? Step out in me, block, and you feel me? So I wanna see what niggas is talking about on this track. I don't know. Let's see what's up. Hey, before we start too, man, if you're enjoying the content, man, drop a comment, drop a like. I appreciate you. Let's tap him, man. M24, busy signal, bad man team.
So the man in my chat about, some little just come fool, punk, waste man. When them come from a talk about badness, brother, they never know about the them don't even know the half of this bomber clock. Bad man thing. But them know about bad man thing. Them a run when shots start fling. But them know about bad man thing. Pussy them. Enough of them end up in a jail here, man start sing. Pussy them. Boy, them chat off them out, get bad up on the wing. Pull up on the block with the Glock, we attack. Headpiece gone.
Hold on. M24 really got my son busy signal out here in the London streets. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, M24 really got my boy in on the 150 side. You know what I'm saying? Out here on the strip, ballied up. This is legendary, bro. This is legendary shit. Cause if niggas don't know, in yard nigga, busy signal, that's a legend, bro. A legend. Absolute legend.
Hard top, turn now soft, that boy's called wobble like laptop. We got the cheese, so we set up the rat chop. Anything running, chop. Dip on the case, matlock. Claim say them grimy. Man, I try step to the level and I look for me, but none of them can't find me.
Never.
Pull up on the names, core blind me. Step to the street and the whole of the dogs them up. Hungry, we hunting the food and the machine I walk. Bad man thing, but them know about bad man thing. Them I run when shots start fling, but them know about bad man thing. Pussy them, enough of them end up in a jail here, man start sing. Pussy them, boy them chat off them out, get bad up on the wing.
Bad man thing, what you know about bad man thing?
Yes.
Watch him run with pull up on foot, watch him run when shots start fling.
This guy M24 bring out the yard man accent. Watch him run when he pull up on foot. Watch him run when the Glock start. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Boy them chat off them out, get bad up on the wing.
Bad man thing, what you know about bad man thing? Watch him run with pull up on foot, watch him run when shots start fling. Pussy them, no say act like grab on a bad man skin. Pussy them, on one bag of chance I can never take bad up on a road and a wing. Got kiddies on me, what you think? Known as dangerous, why you think? Get bosses, you're getting love in Tivoli Garden, studs them out, why you think them out? I don't get met, why you think?
Said I was in yard getting love in Tivoli. Listen, man, like there's the trenches, and then there's Tivoli Gardens. Let me give you some insight. You know what I'm saying? For y'all niggas that might not know what's going on. Once upon a time, not too very long ago, there's a nigga named Dudus Coke, you feel me? Big boss, you feel me? The nigga had, I think it was the US military, I think it was the British military, some military from some other country, either US or England. Niggas was shooting RPGs at them, at the helicopters, bro. Niggas in Jamaicans don't got RPGs, gang, but they do, nigga. So if niggas over there showing you love, you got it, bro. Your body different. Tivoli Gardens alone could beef with the whole Jamaica. If I'm lying, I'm flying.
Tivoli Gardens, studs them out, why you think them out? I don't get met, why you think? I'm bro got locked, why you think? You know I had to cut out home, girl. Cause I'm not too big and I can't just stick.
Bad man thing, but them know about bad man thing. Them I run when shots start fling, but them know about bad man thing. Pussy them, enough of them end up in a jail here, man start sing. Pussy them, boy them chat off them out, get bad up on the wing. Leave it alone, dog you know bad, leave it alone. Man lethal with the chrome, Aim you know miss one shot to the dome. Madden, funeral home, bad man step on his own. K them a fire, ball them a kick, bullets broke through bone.
Matter of fact, let me give you a breakdown what he's saying. I just clocked that. A lot of y'all niggas probably know. I mean, this man, y'all niggas in UK though, so you should be able to get it. But just in case you don't get it, Let Roadman Danger translate for you. I got you.
Ice, shell up the place, rice, shot full up the med, lice.
Place gets shut up.
Can't save you, Christ. What
Nothing can save you, Christ.
them run, enough of them are pre for each other, mice. One
A
time.
lot of niggas premium for the bread. They rats.
From long time, me not have to tell them twice. Christ, bad man thing. But them know about bad man thing. Them a run when shots start fling. But them know about bad man thing. Pussy them. Enough of them end up in a jail here, man start sing. Pussy them. Boy, them chat off them out.
Yeah, bad man thing.
Bad man thing. But them know about bad man thing. Roll up when a cap man thing. Long AK, Afghan thing. Bad man thing.
I know about bad man thing.
Them know about bad man thing. AK and Afghan thing. Peace.
Great, step holding at it. Bombokla. Black and yes. I fuck with this link up. I ain't gonna lie, that's tough. This is something I never knew I would like. You know what I'm saying? Real bad man thing. All my yard niggas, man, go crazy in the comments because my son Leon Edwards just came to the UK and spanked my son Kamara for the UFC belt too. So Jamaicans, my nigga, look what Jamaica we making a splash in the world, bro. In the UFC, we got 2 champions. We got niggas in boxing. Come on, man. Come on, we doing our thing, man. We doing our thing. Why? Look at Jamaica, we up there.
Swally beats go crazy.
Like if your man's dead, don't write me from no fake page. Write me from your real page so I can send you go visit him. That 3 bullshit, you know I'm fucking bum every other shot, nigga. Like, look. He say he looking for me, he looking for a name. Tell Sean get back for his chain. The band on some Denny's and shit came plain. That's up first, dead body living the